The T squad is Kirsty. You know what time it is. We dropping the tea, sipping that tea. Hey, receipts on the beat, we got the inside steep. Spill it, sip it, serve it, come get it with me. It's dropping the tea, dropping the tea.
Hey T Squad, it's Kirsty, and today we're not spilling celebrity tea, we're spilling YouTube tea. Because let's be real, some of y'all are out here working your tails off, uploading nonstop, editing until your soul leaves your body, and your videos are still flopping harder than a bad TikTok trend. You've done everything right, and somehow the algorithm still acts like you don't exist. But here's the thing, it's not your talent that's the problem. It's not even your content. You're just missing one ridiculously simple fix that every big creator has figured out. And once you make this shift, your channel can explode. Let's get into it. Most small creators are stuck because of one toxic belief. If I make a great video, people will find it. Wrong. Dead wrong. That's like writing a bestseller, but printing it with a blank cover and hiding it behind the mop bucket at a bookstore. No one's gonna find it, no matter how genius it is. Your thumbnail and your title are your book cover. That's the real battle. You could make the next Mr. Beast level masterpiece, but if no one clicks it, YouTube won't even know it exists. The platform doesn't care how good your content is until people click to watch it. So the mindset shift is this. Stop thinking like a creator, start thinking like a packager. Your job isn't just to make something great, it's to make something people can't resist clicking on. Don't call it clickbait, call it click-worthy. Because once you respect your work enough to market it properly, the algorithm starts respecting you too. Now, let's talk about the real sauce, the thumbnail. Forget the pretty picture advice, that's amateur hour. You want to create what I call the curiosity gap, that delicious space between what the viewer knows and what they desperately want to know. People don't click because they're informed, they click because they're intrigued. So instead of showing the answer, show the question. Example: don't post how to bake a chocolate cake with a photo of a cake. Post the secret ingredient with you holding a can of beans and a shocked face. Boom, instant curiosity. Viewers can't scroll past that without wondering what's going on. Here's how you do it. 1. The visual question. Make your image so weird or unexpected it demands explanation. Something that makes people think, what am I even looking at? 2. The incomplete story. Show the reaction but hide the cause. A shocked face? Great. But don't show why. Let their curiosity do the clicking. 3. The contradiction, two things that shouldn't exist together. Survived a week on an island with a toaster. It's absurd. And that's the point. Your thumbnail should scream, you have to see what happens next. Here's your simple plug-and-play formula. Step 1, one clear focal point. Big, bold, and emotionally charged. No clutter, no chaos. Step 2, high contrast colors. Bright, saturated, eye-grabbing. Make it pop in both light and dark mode. Step 3, minimal, powerful text. 3 to 5 words max. Make it tease, not tell. My $500 mistake hits harder than how I built my PC. Step 4, shrink test. Zoom out. If it still reads clearly at thumbnail size, you nailed it. If not, simplify. Let's say your channel is travel-based. Instead of, my awesome trip to Paris, make it 20 euros for this, with your face holding a sad croissant. That's a story, that's emotion, that's a click. Let's be blunt. You don't have a content problem. You have a packaging problem. You've been perfecting the video but ignoring the marketing. That stops today. The easy fix? Stop hoping people will find your work. Start making them curious enough to click. So here's your challenge, T Squad. For your next upload, spend as much time crafting your title and thumbnail as you do filming and editing. Make 10 variations, test them. Think like a strategist, not just a storyteller. That's how small channels blow up. And that's the real secret. YouTube doesn't tell you success isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Once you master the click, you control the game. So before you upload your next video, ask yourself, would I click this? If the answer's no, start again. If this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're serious about taking your channel to the next level, I've got a full playlist of YouTube strategy breakdowns waiting for you. I'll see you in the next one, Tea Squad, and until then, keep sipping that strategy tea.